In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat in Janitor AI. To get started, open Janitor AI and sign into your account. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving on so you can access the available chat features without interruptions. Once you're in, take a moment to browse the available characters. If you already know who you want to talk to, you can use the search bar to find that character more quickly. This can save time, especially if there are a lot of options on the platform. After you find a character you want to chat with, open their profile or character page. From there, click the Chat or Start Chat button to begin. This will open the conversation interface where you'll be able to interact directly with that character. Before the conversation starts, you may be asked to configure API or proxy settings. If that happens, go ahead and complete those settings first. This step is important because it helps the chat function work properly. Be sure your setup is correct before continuing. When everything is ready, click into the chat box and type your message. You can keep your first message simple or be more specific if you want the conversation to go in a certain direction. Next, click Send, and the character will generate a response. Depending on your connection or settings, this may take a moment, so give it a second if needed. From there, you can continue the conversation by sending more messages back and forth. If you don't like a response, use the Regenerate option if it's available to create a different reply without starting over. You can also adjust the generation settings if you want to change the response style or length. This is useful if you want replies to feel shorter, longer, or a bit different in tone. And that's how you can chat in Janitor AI.